Supervised and Unsupervised Learning. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. I think I had another topic. I'm gonna have to go back and watch Wednesday's video, but I've been going down the rabbit hole with supervised and unsupervised learning. So all right, looks like maybe the Uber data would go under unsupervised learning. So what is the caveat between supervised and unsupervised? Is it labeled? Is it classified? So supervised learning, it has a correct answer. It knows how to categorize it. It is this. It is classified. Unsupervised learning doesn't have labels. It is just set through and going through. So I've been reading a lot about this and researched this morning and saw this Google Cloud statement. And then I think there's even semi-supervised learning with pseudo labels. But this was what was it? Supervised learning models are focused on learning relationships, peak flight time and all of that. Unsupervised and able to discover new patterns, relations, and raw unlabeled data. So, I don't know. I just was going down this rabbit hole, and like I said, for all of these videos and all of this content in this channel is to pique your interest. So I just want to pique your interest. Wanted to share this for a video real fast. And we'll go back to our nearest neighbor. There we go. For the video after this. But I've just been going down this rabbit hole, and I wanted to share this insight and the subtle differences between these two. So I really hope everybody's having a good day today. Please make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server, hitting the like, subscribe, notification bell on these videos. I don't want you missing any of these videos as they come along. I want to keep you motivated, want to keep you up to date with where I am in my machine learning journey. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.